start and we're mainly dry and just a lot of clouds out there. Today, conditions are going to stay mild, upper 50s to the low 60s. This is coming in while we get some scattered showers this afternoon. Heavy rain through the overnight and into early tomorrow morning, and by tomorrow morning we'll be falling with our temperatures in the upper 50s, low 60s, down into the 40s by the back half of the day. We're watching our next storm over the next 24 hours. This is going to bring some heavy rain and strong wind, both our biggest impacts. The heaviest rain overnight into tomorrow morning, lining up for the Monday morning commute. This will lead to ponding, poor drainage, flooding, and the strong wind is really going to peak into tomorrow morning. We're talking about gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour plus. We look at our radar and satellite. We're mainly drying, just getting some scattered light showers that are starting to work into parts of southern Worcester County and then mainly staying off toward western Mass. This is ahead of this line of showers and storms along a cold front. And what's happening here is an area of low pressure is going to form. It's strengthening and then it'll lift across New England, and that's going to bring about our weather changes of the next 24 hours. A flood watch is posted for areas that are really, this has expanded and includes most of our region outside of Cape Cod and the islands. And there's also a high wind warning for those spots along Cape Cod, the south coast, and the islands, where gusts could be 60 miles per hour or stronger. This could bring down some trees and lead to possible power outages. So today, if you haven't already, maybe do some prep work, charge your batteries, bring inside any of those inflatables, and then also just make sure you're clearing out your storm drains. Our future forecast shows that by this afternoon, we're starting to bring in some of those scattered showers, and this will be with us through the afternoon and through the evening. You can see here, if you're in far Cape Cod, the islands, well, maybe most of the day you just get to avoid some of these raindrops. As we look at later tonight, this is when the heaviest rain starts to arrive for our region, and it's going to continue through the overnight hours, indicated by some of these brighter colors. Rumbles of thunder could also be possible as this main band is working on through, and unfortunately lines up for the early portion of our Monday morning commute, so you'll likely have ponding on the roads, some minor street flooding, and then some debris along the road. But by late morning, this is all out of here, and some colder air is going to work on through, and this is going to turn everything to some snow showers. So 1 to 3 inches possible across the Berkshires, and a dusting possible for far northern Worcester County. But it's mainly just going to be a rain event for us, and a lot of rain at that. The farther west that you get, that's where there will be higher rainfall totals, 3 to 4 inches possible within Worcester County, and even some localized higher amounts indicated within southern Worcester County down through the Connecticut River Valley. I think 2 to 3 inches possible within Metro West, and then under 2 inches for southeast Mass. The breeze is going to pick up throughout the day, and through the overnight hours, you'll likely hear the wind howling. It'll peak tomorrow morning 40 to 50 miles per hour within Metro West, 50 to 60 along the coast, and then there's that signal by early mid-morning, that signal for 60 mile per hour wind gusts across southeast Mass. Temperatures falling into the 40s into the afternoon, although with that breeze, it's going to feel like the 30s. It's quiet beyond this. We'll have temperatures in the 40s, and our chilliest day will be Thursday in the upper 30s.